Hi everyone, welcome back to English speaking journey. So today 18th day of 30 days new word learning challenge. If you are new on the channel, just I wanted to tell I bring the daily new word for you from the news channel, article or from the any interview. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the getting the new video update. So today first word is skeptical. Skeptical meaning is not really believing. It means having doubt. So in that situation you can use the skeptical. For example, I am skeptical about this news. Another example, they are skeptical about offers. It means they have the doubt about the offers. Actually, I listened this word in the one interview where the interviewer was talking about the artificial intelligence. The sentence was like that I am a bit skeptical about the artificial intelligence. So you can also started to use this word. This word is advanced word. Next, hallucinate. Hallucinate means you can use this word where sense things that are not real but appearing to is a very real part of the surrounding environment. This word generally you feel fever, so that time something is not real, still you think that it is real. So mind condition is not good. So in that situation also it happened. So some example I mentioned. Fever made him the hallucinate. She felt she might hallucinate. He thought he would hallucinate. So which are the fake things but it's look real? In that condition you can use the hallucinate. Next, flaunting means show off proudly. For example, he is flaunting his new car. Stop flaunting your money. She flaunts her style. It means showing off your whatever you have, car, bike, watch or style, anything. So you can use with your friends in the common way. Stop flaunting your new car. I know you already purchased. Next, crusader. Here our sound is silent. So you can say crusader. Crusader means a person who strongly support a causes. For example, she become she become a education crusader. It means she support for the education strongly. So in that situation you can use the education crusader. He fights as a social crusader. Another example, many crusaders support changes. Another example, she acts like a health crusader. So wherever you are feeling that someone is strongly supporting for the special causes, so in that sense you can use the crusader. Next, blot on. Blot on means so something blot on you can use where the stain or something that spoil the reputation, and that place you can use. For example, this is a blot on his career. Another example, corruption is a blot on society. Or another example, mistake become a blot. I listened in this blot on word in the one news channel where the this channel was explaining about the fake encounter. One encounter happened in our country in the Bihar where the Bharat Tiwari encountered by the police fake might be fake. So in that sense, one person was explaining that this is a kind of the blot on face of the system. So in that sense, you can use the blot on. Next, desecrating. Desecrating means damaging, disrespecting the something scared. For example, desecrating holy places is wrong. He was punished for the desecrating. Avoid the desecrating religious site. I listen this word in the sense of the Punjab CM news. So, and, anchor was explaining about that situation and in English. So, in that, in his sentence, this word came out. So, I just selected it and bring brought for you. Next, leverage. Leverage means use something smartly for benefit. For example, we should leverage this tool. Leverage your experience. Let's leverage this idea. He leveraged his network. Means so use something smartly for the benefit that places you can use the leverage word. This is a very common and advanced word. You started to use this word leverage, desecrating, blot on, crusader, flaunting, hallucinate, and the skeptical. So today I cover the almost eight word. So you try to make the new sentence basis on the each word and practice as much as possible. Here I already mentioned the sufficient example, but you can prepare your own example. So it will be good. So thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.